SurveyIQ, that is Enterprise Survey Intelligence. So what happened every day, I saw my aunt, she was like having problem with like manually copy pasting spreadsheet rows into translating apps and then typing out sentiments tags line by line, so which is a very tedious project to watch. So for this, what we have built here is a survey to solve this problem, which is an enterprise grade customer intelligence platforms, which will turn the raw survey sheets into clean structured insights in seconds using a local rule based NLP engines. So this is different than a generic automated API, because there are many mixed sentiments are there, plus Hinglish is also used in regional slangs. So for that purpose we have used this SurveyIQ, that we have made this SurveyIQ application. So let me just quickly log into this and I'll quickly show you the flow of how this will work. So yeah, so I have here some surveys here, like that projects here that I have already done. So basically this is the brand settings. So first the brand settings is to be made. So brand settings, so ours is Myclob, it is basically a beer brand that we are doing, because I have this sample data set for this brand. And so global competitors are this, and brand terminologies, and these are this, and global categorization themes can also be added, journal or like whatever it is, so that also can be added. Then we have, okay, so yeah, when we create a project, this will take us to creating a project. So let me just quickly create. So let's say I want to create a May survey analysis 2026. So I'll just go here, I'll quickly create it of how it happens actually. So product name is Ultra Beer. So this for May, and then we'll continue. Okay, target audience, this is like set because of the brand configuration. This is coming from brand configuration. So let me just quickly go there. So ready to upload, so I can upload here my file. So here my file is, I have my file ready. So yeah, let me upload it. So basically there are 16 some questions are there that are open-ended, so we'll do survey analysis on them. So the open-ended questions are automatically detected, 16A, 16B, 18, Q1, Q2, Q3. So these are automatically detected by this system. So now what will happen once these are passed, they'll go into our custom that TypeScript NLP engine, and instead of a single sentiment breakdown, it will break down into specific aspects like price, taste, performance, applying local grammatical rules to catch the negations. So it will just happen in less than 2 minutes of time. It's very fast. So it happened actually. So this is a May survey analysis. We'll come here. So this is our data. So this is, you can see this is a positive response, this is a negative response. I would buy it if I were out of my regular, but this is even a complex sentence, still it has parsed it. So this is one thing, and even manually we can change it. So it's a classic brand. Okay, it's a classic brand. I want to change this to positive. Okay, I've changed this, I'll save this. Okay, so this also manually, human in the loop is also there. And now if you go to executive reports, so one executive report also comes, like what can be there, general feedbacks are mostly there, taste and refreshment feedback analysis is there, so they have a strong satisfaction there. Predefined queries are also there, so it will generate some queries that can be answered. Okay, pricing is a unhappy, customers are unhappy about pricing and all those things. And then we have the product settings. So product settings we can do again actually. So this is the flow of